Hi, I'm Marilyn, and today we'll be unboxing the Aruba Instant On AP25 bundle. If you find this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content. The AP25 is a high-end indoor Wi-Fi 6 access point from the Aruba Instant On range. Let's get straight to the unboxing. The first thing you'll notice is that the AP25 bundle arrives in a retail-friendly packaging, unlike the standard AP25 box. Here, you have your quick start and startup guides. Let's see what else is in the box. Here, we have a power adapter with a country-specific clip. Note that this is not included in the standard AP25 box. We also have a 1.5 meter Ethernet cable, which is handy if you want to get started quickly and connect the APs to your network. Also included is a 3-in-1 mounting bracket. It is designed for fixing onto a standard 24 or 14mm suspended ceiling T-bar, as well as onto flat surfaces by using the two pre-drilled holes. There is nothing else in the box. Let's have a look at the AP itself. The unit feels solid and is noticeably heavier than AP22. On the front is a removable sticker with the serial number and two LED status lights. On the back and recessed on the side are the Ethernet port and a power socket. There's a console port and a reset button. You will need a pin to reach it if you ever need to use it. And on the other side is a Kensington security slot. To install the AP, once the mounting bracket has been installed, you can simply rotate and click the AP into place. To release, squeeze the clips inwards and rotate anti-clockwise. And there you have it. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching!